Good morning, Anna. How are you?
I'm fine, thank you, Tom.
Can we discuss language mistakes today?
Yes, sure. What are they?
Many people misuse common words.
Can you give me an example?
You're confuse learners.
Oh, yes, that's quite common.
Do you know how to use them?
Yes, your shows possession, right?
Correct. And your means you are.
That's a good reminder, thanks.
Another mistake is confusing its and its.
I sometimes get those mixed up.
Its is possessive, no apostrophe.
And its means it is.
Exactly. It's a frequent mistake.
What's another mistake to avoid?
People often confuse affect and effect.
Yes, that one is tricky.
Affect is usually a verb.
And effect is mostly a noun?
Yes, that's the general rule.
Can you give me examples?
Sure. Rain affects traffic every day.
And the effect was a delay.
Perfect. You've got it right.
Any other mistakes to mention?
Yes, using then instead of than.
I see that mistake often.
Then relates to time sequence.
And then is for comparisons, right?
Yes, exactly. Well explained, Anna.
Thanks. What's another common error?
Mixing up there, and there.
That one confuses a lot.
There is a place or position.
There is possessive like their car.
Yes, and there means they are.
Well, I'll remember that distinction.
Good. Also, me versus I.
People use those incorrectly often.
Yes, I is the subject pronoun.
And me is the object pronoun.
That's right. Very good, Anna.
Thank you, Tom. What's next?
Some confuse lose and loose.
I've seen that mistake a lot.
Lose is the opposite of win.
And loose means not tight.
Exactly. You're learning fast today.
Thank you. I'm trying my best.
Another is using fewer and less.
I've heard that's a common error.
Fewer is for countable things.
And less is for uncountable things.
Yes, that's exactly the difference.
Thanks for the clear explanation, Tom.
You're welcome. Glad to help.
Are there more mistakes to know?
Yes, using who and whom incorrectly.
I still get confused sometimes.
Who is for the subject position.
And whom is for the object.
Yes. Good job, Anna. Keep practicing.
I will. Thanks for the advice.
Also, watch out for much and many.
What's the difference between them?
Much is for uncountable nouns.
And many is for countable nouns?
Yes, you've got it now.
Thank you. This is very helpful.
I'm happy to help you, Anna.
What's another tip you suggest?
Don't forget subject-verb agreement rules.
Oh, yes, like singular and plural.
Exactly. Always match the subject properly.
I'll be more careful with that.
Great. Keep an eye on prepositions.
Can you give me an example?
Sure. On versus in confuses learners.
Yes, those are difficult sometimes.
In is for enclosed spaces.
And on is for surfaces, right?
Correct. That's a good understanding.
Thank you, Tom. I'll practice more.
Practice makes perfect. Keep improving.
I will. Thanks for the tips.
Anytime, Anna. See you soon.
Goodbye, Tom. Have a nice day.